Problem 59 asks us to track the velocity and acceleration of a ball rolling down a track. And there's a sticky portion of the track, so it kind of breaks it down for what it wants us to look at. So part A is use a scale to determine the positions of the ball, which I've got written out here. And then part B is just asking to graph these positions. Now let's get into the math of it. That's the fun part. So, C, what is the change in the ball's position from 0 to 1 second? So change in position, we're just looking at the final, subtract from the initial. So from 0 to 1 second at 0 seconds, it is at -4. At 1 second, its displacement is 0. So the distance traveled is from -4 to 0, so it has gone 4 meters. X, it's asking the same question. What's the distance from 2 seconds to 4 seconds? At 4 seconds, it is at 7 meters. At 2 seconds, it has gone total 3 meters. So from 3 to 7, again, we are looking at 4 meters. Now, this time it's asking for the velocity from, what's the ball's velocity before reaching the sticky section? So the sticky section is at, from 1 to 2 seconds is the sticky section right there. So prior to that, we're looking at our final, subtract from our initial. So our final displacement is 0 minus -4 over a total time traveled, which is 1 second. So we've got a 4 meters per second is our velocity. It has to do it again after the sticky section. So after the sticky section, we are looking from 4 to 2 seconds. 4 to 3 seconds. So we're looking at 7 minus 5 over 4 minus 3. So 2 over 1, which is 2 meters per second. Last one. G, this time instead of looking for the velocity, we're looking for the acceleration. So velocity is distance over time, acceleration is velocity over time. So first thing you have to do is find the velocity while it's in the sticky section. So we're looking at 3 meters minus 0 meters over 2 seconds minus 1 second. So our velocity is 3 meters per second. Now, given that velocity, we're looking at essentially the exact same thing. 3 meters per second is the velocity, but the time given is still just 1 second. So our final answer is 3 meters per second squared. That's our acceleration.